Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to sign out from Filmora account. So if you also want to sign out from your Filmora account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So with Filmora, you can get various features to edit your videos, and you can edit the videos in your mobile too. But if you want to sign out of your account, what you have to do is launch open your Filmora application. You can see over here Filmora is opened. Now what you have to do is go to your account, tap on the account icon that you can see at the top right corner. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several options over here. Here you can find option for member center. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see your Wondershare ID and email over here. At top right corner you'll be able to see the sign out icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. You can see two options over here, sign out and cancel. All you have to do is tap on the option sign out. Now you can see over here you're signed out from your account. So that is how you sign out from Filmora account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.